Hi and welcome back to the channel. Join me as I dive deep into the meaning of the 256 angel number and see if I can uncover its true spiritual significance. When we think about spirituality and the mysteries of the universe, many of us turn to angel numbers for guidance and insight. These unique numerical sequences are believed to carry messages from the spiritual realm, helping us navigate life's challenges and make sense of our journey. One such number that's been gaining attention lately is 256, and today we're going to explore its profound significance in spiritual terms. One of the biggest challenges many people face when it comes to understanding angel numbers is misinterpretation. We often get caught up in the excitement of seeing these numbers everywhere, but without a deeper understanding of their meaning, we can get lost in confusion. This confusion can lead to frustration, and before we know it, we're questioning our own spiritual journey. It's essential to recognize that each angel number has its unique vibration and energy, and without proper comprehension, we risk misaligning ourselves with the guidance they offer. Misinterpretation can also stem from the influence of external sources, whether it's social media, books, or even well-meaning friends. We must be mindful of the information we consume and ensure it resonates with our inner truth. Furthermore, our individual perspectives and experiences also play a significant role in shaping our understanding of angel numbers. What one person perceives as a message of hope might be perceived differently by another. This diversity in perception is what makes the world of angel numbers so fascinating, yet it also underscores the importance of trusting our intuition and inner wisdom. It's crucial to approach these numbers with an open heart and mind, allowing ourselves to receive their guidance without judgment. The number 256 is a fascinating combination of three distinct energies, the 2, 5, and 6. The number 2 is often associated with balance, harmony, and trust. It's a reminder to have faith in the universe and its plan, trusting that everything is working in our favor. The number 5, on the other hand, symbolizes adaptability, change, and freedom. It's an invitation to be more open-minded, to let go of our need for control, and to embrace the unknown. Finally, the number 6 represents personal responsibility, love, and nurturing energy. It's a call to focus on our relationships, whether romantic, platonic, or familial, and to cultivate a sense of unity and harmony within them. When we combine these three energies, we get a powerful message about finding balance within ourselves, being adaptable to life's changes, and taking personal responsibility for our growth. As we delve deeper into the meaning of 256, we begin to uncover a profound message about our spiritual evolution. This number is a gentle reminder that we're not alone in our journey. We're part of a larger universe that's constantly guiding us towards growth and self-awareness. The 256 angel number is an invitation to tap into our inner wisdom, to trust our intuition, and to have faith in the universe's plan. It's a call to be more mindful of our thoughts, emotions, and actions, recognizing that every choice we make has a ripple effect on our lives and the lives of those around us. This number is a beacon of hope, encouraging us to stay the course, even when the path ahead seems uncertain. It's a reminder that we're capable of overcoming any obstacle, as long as we remain open to the guidance and wisdom of the spiritual realm. One of the most significant insights we can gain from the 256 angel number is its role as a guiding message for our lives. This number is a spiritual nudge, urging us to explore new avenues of personal growth, to challenge our limiting beliefs, and to step into our true potential. It's an invitation to go beyond our comfort zones, to take risks, and to trust that the universe will catch us if we fall. This number is a powerful catalyst for change, and it's up to us to seize it and make the most of its guidance. In summary, the 256 angel number is a profound message from the spiritual realm, guiding us towards balance, adaptability, and personal growth. By embracing its energy, we can tap into our inner wisdom, trust our intuition, and stay the course, even when the path ahead seems uncertain. If you've had any experiences with angel numbers, I'd love to hear about them in the comments below. And if you're ready to dive deeper into the world of spirituality, be sure to check out my next video on related topic. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the meaning of 256, and I'll see you in the next video. And please like and subscribe if you are new to the channel. Also, want to know what the truth in your stars says about you? Check out my website link in the video description or bio on the main channel page. You'll be glad you did. Enjoy your day.